Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a construction budget with Home Depot, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by determining the scope of your construction project. List all the tasks that need to be completed. Break down each task into smaller, manageable components. Next, gather your material needs. Visit the Home Depot website or store to research materials. Make a spreadsheet to keep track of items. Include quantities and estimated costs for each item. After compiling your materials list, estimate the labor costs. Decide whether you will hire contractors or do it yourself. If hiring professionals, obtain quotes from several contractors. Factor in additional costs, such as permits and inspections. Create a contingency budget for unexpected expenses. A general rule is to allocate about 10 to 20% of your total budget for contingencies. Now, add all your estimated costs together. Review your budget and adjust as necessary. It's wise to compare your budget against similar projects. Once satisfied with your budget, finalize it. Keep your budget accessible for ongoing reference. Regularly update it as your project progresses. Use Home Depot's resources, such as their online calculator, to ensure accuracy. Remember to stay flexible as changes may arise throughout the project. Monitor expenditures closely to avoid budget overruns. With careful planning and organization, your construction budget will guide your project effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.